mean, talking about rulings and all that. Anas Admiral Anas was in court with Kennedy Japan. And a number of Ghanaians think that the ruling didn't go too well. I mean, you are, a senior legal person. Tell me, what do you think about that ruling?
Well, you see, first of all, as a lawyer, before you can seriously comment on a judge's ruling or judgment, you ought to have read it thoroughly. It's on social media. I've been busy, so I haven't had time really to read the full judgment. But you defame somebody when you bring his reputation,
into disrepute. Yes, right.
I mean, all of you are taught media law, so these things are not new to you,
right?
So if you are able to show that the words he used, even if they are veiled, were understood, to be referable to you. And for the ordinary man in the street, it lowered you in that estimation of the ordinary man. Then you have made your point. But then you have the defenses of justification, and public or fair comment. If they are also able, the defense is able to put that one. After all, practice of law only means the art of persuasion. How do you persuade a judge to rule in your favor? Like I did for Sir John and Opsi Adoye. To persuade the panel there that this is not a case for which you have to put somebody, in prison. You can impose a fine and the purpose would still have been served and the rest. So if they were able to convince the judge that there was justification for what they did, and it was also fair comment, and the judge buys into it, so be it. If you are not satisfied with the judgment, what do? You go on appeal.
Well, Ken said that Anas is a murderer. He's responsible for murdering about 20 Chinese people and also J.B. Dankwa, the former NP and all that. And so many people have been wondering, how was Kennedy Japan able to convince this judge to give him judgment for such utterances that he made?
You see, you need the whole gamut. The evidence that was given in court, the analysis of the evidence, the inferences that the judge drew from the facts that were laid before him. Because some have also cited examples where people actually corrupted, if you like, the crusader himself by giving him monies. And these went into, the record, and they were before the judge, that somebody gave 700,000 or 100,000 or so and so, and they were left off the hook and the rest. So where is the reputation